Stupid ass.
I said, what's up with Doc? I said, what's up with Doc? I said, what's up with you? What the fuck we up?
Figure it out.
Oh, this nigga hard. Dude, he got money. He got some baby bitches on. He got money. Oh, okay, type shit. I'll pull out the cash after traffic. Oh, okay. You know, can you go ahead and buy me the whole stove?
Buy you the whole stove.
You got all this money on you, gang. You got the bake shoes on. You got everything. You got you broke.
Appreciate it.
Hey man, what's the strawberry account? Like what's the number?
What's the 520 last night?
Y'all just passed it? You won, yeah.
Show y'all my real cameras. My camera skills.
Make sure that shutter ain't
Stupid.
Yeah, bro, I work fuck. So you see all them motherfucking poles and LPs, you know the things, the little green things y'all sit on when y'all used to be bad as hell? We make those damn job, cuz every fucking day. Yeah. That's why my shit painted up and shit like that, 'cause I have to poke up. Hit that button.
I know I normally go 8 to 9, you know what I'm saying, but the way that price looking, we ain't racing no time soon anyways. We just cruising on eco, low sport mode. Yeah. We finna get this car today. We finna get this car. I don't know, we might do a squat cars for a day or something. Something light. Nigga said, what we doing, shooting a video? Nah, we just taking pictures. That's all. Live pictures. And shit, I'm gonna hit y'all when we get back in the next clip. I am getting them right. Nigga, we doing it.
That nigga fuck him, he ain't treating his team right.
Brand new quality in there, ho.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you, that shit probably HD as fuck.
It is. Hell yeah. Y'all see the camera.
Let me see how that house look, man.
It's like 500.
500?
Little something.
Look, something.
Nigga, I've been doing YouTube for about, I don't know how long.
Boy, you been doing this shit for a smooth ass minute, but your ass finna eat you know what time it is?
I know. Got the camera. Once the camera get there, you see the lens. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's a 1060
It's only 75 cents. Actually, I might have 75 cents in my pocket. I don't.
All the wood.
I had a quarter.
Only got these hoes because I sold like some drives at work and they had straight ones. So you know, money is money. Nickels, pennies, dimes, all that. We take all that. Yeah.
Okay. I feel it.
You gotta be chasing the bag, fam. It's only right. It's only right.
Yeah, yeah. I thought he was finna walk out.
Good. I didn't realize here.
Light drip. He just got off work. Do we?
Oh, this the fit though.
Some people say you look like Duke.
Bro, now you dragging it. Now you dragging it.
Thank you.
Duke is crazy, but
Duke is crazy.
you know who you look like, fam?
Who I look like?
You know who you look like, though.
Who I
That's
look
the
like?
crazy thing. I like that. I got you. CK. You don't know who CK is?
Oh, from Palm Bluff.
Yeah.
Hey, glad, nigga.
No, I like CK.
What you get to drink? I be playing them sometimes.
This nigga from Palm Bluff, fam. This is rap.
Shit. That shit. Big RT. Alright, we gonna hit y'all. What they say on the back? PJ? Oh my god.
That shit is hard.
PJ won. Oh, they let you know you got a private jet, nigga.
Yeah, that shit hard.
Who in that whole booth, girl? Yeah, it be hard.
Yeah. Make sure you get it straight though. But I like this little hoe though. It's just I hope we don't wreck this hoe.
She hope you don't wreck this hoe.
Like to the.
Shit, you driving. Yeah, you gonna get it wrecked too. This shit hard though.
My bad.
What y'all
You got a little space back there, guys.
Hey, come on,
Let me
This shit don't got automatic seats, my nigga.
No, nigga.
What the fuck? My shit got automatic seats.
This shit got automatic.
My fault, child. No, that.
You finna get you one too?
I'm finna give me a next gen RT. I'm telling you.
Oh God, I'm getting that hoe. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna get right. Don't worry about it. I just gotta keep this hoe for like 6 months. That's it.
You hard,
gonna race?
man. Yeah, nigga.
That's how we
Shit.
set up the what's name.
Performance pay. I'm waiting for that shit to load. That shit hard. See if it get you.
Forever be slow too.
Hmm.
Performance page.
I think you gotta be at a stamp still. I think it's something on the lens. I'll fix it in a minute.
Cause y'all ass know what you doing in that bitch hood.
There it go. Ooh, shit, gauges. Oh my God, he got all the. This had to be added, bro.
This how they come.
Shit.
You got a dyno?
What the fuck? He got a dyno? Oh my
Go to
God.
dyno. And make a pool. Let's see how much power you make.
Oh my God, it tell you to twerk, nigga. This shit hard, and he got.
See, third, second. That's the gear and shit.
Damn, that shit crazy. Alright.
Had the brakes on. Yeah, you definitely gotta go on the highway with that bub. They think this hoe gone.
Hey, this hoe go. Boy, this shit hard though.
It is, for sure. You got timers and shit. I'm telling you, he could probably beat me, bro.
Nah.
Yeah, he could probably beat me, bro.
Niggas the footage.
He said it's the foolish.
You can add a gauge on there, like fucking oil pressure, tickles, all that. Yeah, they can add that shit.
Boy.
That shit hard.
That shit hard.
It's a weird that shit too there. Like this bitch is up the foot. Bro, I should seen me that RT bitch.
No, you
Well,
was
I got
dog.
dizzy.
This nigga finna go to Memphis in there, hoe. Fuck it. What you think?
It's bitch tough.
Might as well go ahead and get this hoe.
Yeah.
Boy.
I like these seat covers too back there. I'm used to seat covers before.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Where the papers at? We need to sign them bitches. Boy.
I fuck with it though, for sure. We gotta test the fucking radio, nigga. Fuck with it, fuck with it. Outside this motherfucker hard. Boy, you sitting hard. You got a scat front, nigga. Boy, you sitting hard. Fuck with it.
Yeah. What you say? Hoes gon' fuck it. They see the
Yeah. This hoe is smooth though. I'll get this hoe. See if we get this motherfucker. I'ma hit y'all when we get done with the paperwork.
Nigga, that ain't how that shit work.
That
nigga.
is how that
What the
shit work. What you mean?
fuck? Nigga, my pop black as hell. He like
Get
this
it,
color
get it.
black. Type shit. Brown skin. Yeah, I'm get them gaddies though. Don't worry about catch up to y'all niggas though. So y'all think this is the game?
Alright, when you get this tattoo?
Huh?
I remember you had that last time, didn't you?
Don't worry about it. Y'all think y'all just getting tatted up? Alright, don't worry about it. Catch you up. This is my year. Don't worry about it.
It be hard.
It's our year. Matter of fact, put it like that. It's our year, nigga. Don't care, nigga. You watching this shit, nigga? Oh God, you remember when I said this shit? It's gonna put chase the paper and there's chase paper on nigga. I already drew that. Oh God, that's the one I'm getting in.
Good though.
Oh God, that's the one I'm getting in. It sound good as fuck, fam. Oh God, they get 100 like no care. Then I had that bitch just work with my pops and they're doing 100 all the way there. Same thing I'm doing time, same thing he was doing. But I was getting a little bit work, so on that little turn,
Gotta push it.
I had I like swerve that bitch like.
That mother.
Oh, look at that hoe. Yeah, hard, okay. You know, if I had the truck first, like you had the red truck, which you got rid of for a while. And that bitch is hard. Huh? Yeah.
You gotta fix my windshield.
Thinking about this motherfucker right here.
Use it or this or the Really, I ain't gonna lie to you. I sleep with that truck though. Just the house. I sleep with that truck instead of this one. That shit is.
Hey, Quay.
By any chance, you have your check stubs?
Yeah. Hey, send them to you.
Next. I got a little Hemi now. Little Hemi. SRT next.
But you getting eggs.
You out here, little Challenger Camaro. He's a Camaro.
That's what I was thinking. The only nigga in the group gonna have the Camaro, him. Ain't nothing wrong with it though.
It's gonna be hard to find a Camaro.
No.
Yeah, not a dealership like this. Just is.
I'm telling you, it's not. If you want to go to a dealership like this, go to Dodge or Jay. He can find you one.
Nah.
They do dealership trades.
That shit.
Brand new. If you want a V8, they can get that.
That shit.
You probably don't want a
expensive,
V8 though. Yeah, you probably don't.
Damn, my dumb ass just tried to drink the lid with the cup with the lid. Bitch, he is kind of wide, I ain't gonna. Oh, I call him numbers.
5K on my feet.
5K? 2K on the pants,
500 on the shirt.
5K on the shirt.
2,000 on the earrings.
Oh my God, 2,000. So all together, you looking like 20? Yeah, he got 20,000 on his body right now.
Including the dick surgery.
Well, he ain't gonna.
I just with my little truck store. Glad I took a picture of that motherfucker, cause I saw looked at him.
By highway. Yeah, you emailed them?
Yeah.
This camera is heavy. If it hold it like this, hold it like that. So just be sitting there, long and holding that bitch like that.
Man, you know what it is, man.
Nigga, I promise you, man.
I said, yeah, crazy.
I'm gonna let you come back and I'm gonna still splash. Nigga, you see how he splashing shit, nigga. That's all the time, ain't it? Splashing them hoes.
Come on, Greg, don't. He came in all the shit.
I've been doing that. I don't got no handles, none of that. But I don't need that shit. When threes count up. 3, 6, 9.
You the best one I heard? No. I slick one a truck though. This if I was to get a truck, this is how this bitch gonna be.
It's my truck.
Right here. It's gotta be somebody's truck.
You over here touching all over. Huh?
They ain't got shit else on the lot.
Alright, Ty, we're gonna hit you when you get done with the paperwork. We get in the car.
Yeah, we get in the car and shit. Damn, nigga, you drop my phone and shit. Yeah, we gonna get y'all niggas. We get back right back with y'all niggas when we get the car and sign the paperwork and shit.
We're gonna go to the car wash or something. Yeah, a little food. Give you a little tour around. Let me give you a little tour around the car or something.
A little something, a little slight little something. I'm gonna give y'all a little something.
Little something.
National Girlfriend Day. Y'all go post y'all girls.
We gonna post our girls or what?
We got a girl.
We all do.
I ain't got no girl. I'm single as can be. He over here doing the paperwork though. It's so dead in this car dealership. But yeah, y'all, we just chilling. We finna get this car. Alex in the cut. I'm getting that focus right. I wanted some water.
I ain't want no coffee. I'm chocolate. That's how it is.
There's some hot chocolate in there.
Better go give me them chips though.
They free? They free? They free?
You ain't gonna fuck with me? What you mean what you think?
You talking about some let me think.
I know what it was.
I'll get that Hemi though.
Your wallet.
Man, but if I get a Hemi, I might as well go get a scat.
No.
Yes. What? I can find a cheaper scat though. Auto Gurus. Just like that. Auto Gurus. It already got a wrap. I'm finna go ask them today, matter of fact.
Come with me and get something. There's somebody in there.
Where y'all see some snakes at? He said yeah? Did he say yeah?
Bruh, obviously if I grab him.
Obviously if he grabbed it.
I just want water.
I fuck with these. I be eating these, y'all. Focus not right. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna get it right, bro. This big ass camera and shit. I can't see it, but yeah. We need some crackers and shit. He over there doing the paperwork and shit. Don't like who? Play what? You a fanboy? You got that dick in your mouth. Look at it. Yeah, Kevin Gates' dick. You still taste Kevin Gates' dick, don't you?
I don't even know about him like that.
He is.
Crazy though.
What?
She gonna pay Kevin Gates to perform at your funeral.
That shit was funny. I ain't gonna lie. That shit was funny. I ain't gonna lie. That was a 10 out of 10.
Greg gonna hop out there motherfucking
They went to go fill your car up.
Yeah. They only got one burner there for like 3-4 days.
No, I don't know about 3 or 4 days now.
Nah, probably 2 days.
Perfect. I'll get something to eat after this. You been to Waldo's yet?
Waldo's?
It just opened up. We gonna go there. We gonna go there. It's by the Alamo. Yeah. Got some good chicken sandwiches. Huh? Nah, we going to the Alamo. We might as well be closer to the house. Mm-hmm.
Just let you know, nigga, I'm gonna raise my credit the money man way, and you gonna see how that help us.
Money man way.
And that right grade, it's gonna boost. It's gonna be like 800.
Hey, honey, you gonna go get that RT? You
Lock it in, huh?
gonna go get that RT?
Oh yeah, man. You know what I'm doing. As soon as I get that RT, we race it.
Racing. I feel it.
You get 1 2 next year.
On me, I'm gonna get one. You know it.
Ah, yeah, I forgot you got that money. Look at the shoes. You get the shoes one more time. Yeah, you gonna get it.
Nah, it's something slight, bruh.
Everybody else got running numbers, but I ain't got no money.
Boy, I got them beaters on. Should be doing in them shoes, bruh.
Nah, straight stuffing, bitch. This is really the come out from bitches. You know the white shit that come out bitches right now.
Yeah, yeah.
These stuffing motherfuckers
Like that. Yeah, I like that right there.
Dude finna be in the GT.
Straight content. I don't care if it's bullshit. I'm gonna give y'all some. I don't know, the lens just look perfect and shit.
Lens is hard though.
It is. Need something to look at and shit. Signing that paperwork. Do what he doing.
Yeah.
Dude did the paperwork.
Yeah.
He got it.
Got it, nigga. So yeah. A car owner, how do I feel?
What they say? Took forever.
Oh yeah, it's big things for CG. It's big things for CG now.
I'm gonna get a scat pack.
Hey, the subscriber count is right here. Y'all make sure to go look to that motherfucker. All right, bro. I'm done playing with you, bro. I need like at least what 1,000 likes, fam. 1,000, fam. That's all I'm asking for, fam. 1,000, fam, for me. And I say what's up with you.
What's your channel? You say your channel.
Oh yeah. My channel is Q-Man Quay. Y'all make sure you did that hoe, cause I'm finna start posting.
It's gonna be in the
shit.
description.
It's gonna be in the
You need to post something today. That's what you need
I
to
am gonna
do.
post some shit today. Shit, you gotta just chill.
Just chill. I got you.
I got you though.
These niggas in here getting some fucking coffee.
Oh, yeah.
You getting coffee?
I'm still on this nigga though. I gotta steal though. I'ma steal though. Yeah, I'ma steal. So you can kill me. Yeah, I'm set up for shit. I have to steal this nigga.
Well, who you think you is getting? Vanilla. What the fuck? This nigga think he living.
I ain't doing it. You can't get that coffee.
I don't see how y'all drink coffee. I don't drink coffee. I drink coffee.
That's too much. I can't be this. You make you feel jittery because I can see that.
They ain't got nothing. I don't know. I say if I trade my shit, I gotta get a scat pack.
Yes,
How you feel?
10, how they 10. 10, don't let me get tired of this.
They ain't put your. Oh my god! Look at that. This motherfucking nasty. I get it to you. I get it to you. I know you happy.
Yeah, I'm happy as hell. Boy, what the fuck, nigga?
Y'all, we finna trade cars for a day for a video. Y'all stay tuned.
Oh yeah, y'all stay tuned for that shit. Oh god, that shit gonna be turned as hell. Video coming soon. Shit.
Them rims.
Which is pressure.
I got you. We gonna send you this video later.
Oh, this nigga doing a montage. Oh, I'm to the front.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put it in the video.
I'm gonna put that.
Put this in the video. You're going crazy at this motherfucker. Oh shit.
Trying to get my job at the RT footage.
I am finna get rid of the rims.
You is?
Record sound straight. Two cars are getting rid. I'm sweating like I'm How y'all doing today?
You got to get the regular charger. The regular? Yeah, the regular USB. Not the one that goes past charger.
I mean, I got one in my old car though.
Yeah, good.
But it's holding like 3 of them bitches in there though. Like it's 3, 4.
Where y'all want to go? We really could just, after we hit Waldo's, do that mukbang at Waldo's, we can pick Quave crib.
Yeah. Cause I gotta
We
get
can do them, well, we can do that car thing on their crib. Prostitutes and stuff.
Oh God, they be doing everything, man. You ever seen Skid Row? His video?
Yeah, I seen one too.
Fam, them hoes hard as hell. And he just interviewing everybody, fam. Like, don't matter who you is, pimp, prostitute, drug dealers, guns. Fam, my nigga got on there for real estate. He used to scam. Like the real estate before the scamming was popping, he used to like do like the home shit. And he used to write off like fake names off of cartoons and put him as his name. And he thought it was funny at the time, but when they started reading the charges out,
It wasn't
it wasn't funny.
when they start reading
They started reading this.
Yeah, we at Waldo. Sorry for the zone. We at Waldo's, y'all. Niggas in here. Alex left the camera in the car. Yeah, my nigga Quave got him a car. Certified jipper. Looking at the menus and shit. What you gonna get? What you finna get? I'm going for that chicken sandwich again.
I might.
That chicken sandwich. Tender chicken sandwich was. What you finna get? You finna get something?
I might do that. It's cheaper than a regular chicken sandwich. You hear me?
Let me try when we get our food. What y'all think? Can I get fries straight? Anything else? No, do it come with a drink?
I prefer a drink specifically.
Yeah, can I get a drink?
Or regular large. You got lemonade, sweet tea, and regular Coke.
Strawberry thinner. Regular.
Alright. Anything else?
That's it. Yeah, that's it. Nah, to go.
What's the name?
Chris.
1436. I was gonna say he paying for you. I can get you. What's your receipt? Is it you?
Nah.
No.
Got me a little chicken sandwich, y'all. Got me a chicken sandwich. Wait, was we eating here or what? To go? I said to go. How you feel about Ducato?
This shit is straight as hell.
Let that eat some fun. What you gonna do to it?
You wanna go do to it?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie to you, I wanna get some lights on that motherfucker for real. So I can get that whole sounding nice. But other than that, you know, make sure y'all subscribe and like the video. Before anybody else
Take it some. You ain't fucking with it. Shit, I'm fucking with it. You ain't fucking with it either.
You was about to get some.
Why you don't want nothing, bro? I'm telling you, the chicken sandwich go crazy. I'm talking about, it got a little spice to the chicken. Not the sauce, it's in the chicken. It's like smoked chicken, that shit hard. You still going to work? Still going to work?
Yeah. That nigga just called me. But this shit crazy as hell how I just took that hoe out and they had to put that hoe right back in. But that hoe
Dude,
worked.
phone look just like mine. Oh, his shit worked. I didn't think it could get worse than me. What? I didn't think it could get worse. Oh
Bro,
my god.
Boy, my shit. My shit not that bad.
Oh my god. Y'all look at my phone.
I dropped my shit on accident.
Big Lambo.
Accident for purpose.
Our camera the same though. Your camera don't make no sound, mine do.
Mine do at some point, like when I'm charging that hoe up, it make a sound.
Hell yeah.
But other than that,
Yeah, I think we fantastic. I think I'm the only one eating. I was gonna do a mukbang, but I'm the only one eating. And we running out of time, so I'm like, shit. We gonna hit y'all in the next vlog. This is a little vlog. My nigga got a car.
Yes,
know what
sir,
I'm
Ski.
saying?
Hey, I'm being real, bro. I need 1,000 likes, bro. Y'all need 1,000 likes. Run them lights up, my nigga. Run them hoes up.
And plus my camera finna die, so I'm gonna hit y'all in the next one. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Stack a light, look 10, then shoot out of town. Info 6 with your bitch and she full of crown. I swear the bitch was too drunk, I couldn't bust it down.